Morning traders. So we are still using the Bill Williams theory and looking at the Dow Jones. So we've still got this wedge that we are trading in at the moment, and you can see this inside tail here was pretty much the area that we were aiming for, and the seller stepped in off that level. Okay. Now, what is happening now? Anyone's guess right now, but I suspect more of the same. So in other words, a move to the downside during the morning session, finding our feet somewhere along late morning, and then getting in for a long for the afternoon session. Okay, so on the 4 hour, there are a couple of things going down at the moment, and the one is that we are testing this breakout. So you can see the whole week we've been battling with this level of 24,110, and we're back in that zone again. Back on the bottom of the trend line, and yeah, it's kind of tempting me for a long at the moment. So I'm going to have a look at this in the lower time frames, but trend is the upside, so you're looking to continue the trend for a second attempt at least at this level of 24,287. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at the moment. If we look at the hour, you'll see we have inside bar off the level. Fairly interesting. And the other thing that is fairly interesting as well is our Fibonacci is off the 72.4. Okay, so any form of that wasn't clever. Anyway, I'll fix it later. So just managed to delete my fractals. But essentially what we're looking for is this level is interesting, and this would be my stop area here. Now I just want to see what my risk is on this. 110 points. Okay, so anyway, I'm looking at a long in this zone. Stop will be below this previous swing low. That's kind of the way I take it, and the reason being it's going to get a bit messy here. I don't have a trend line, but this bigger trend line is one we're after anyway. So yeah, that's looking like a turning point. It is off the alligator. I think I'll just get down to 30 minutes. So we've had a pullback, inside bar, tails. This is a wise man, potential wise man number one. So yeah, I'm definitely looking at along in this area. So actually just we're just going to go with half a position here. And we're going to buy right there. And for now, I'm moving my stop below there. Okay. Right. So that's kind of my view of this at the moment. Pretty straightforward. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. So I'm looking for a take profit area up there. And what we're going to do here, fine tune that. There's an inside tail here. Okay, so there are two areas here. So the first one is over there, which is pretty much a decent trade. That's more than a 2-to-1 trade. And my next target area is up here. So I'll see if I can add to this current position now and target the 200-day moving average. Okay, so that's my my view at the moment. Whether this plays out or not is another story. But that is a wise man number one, and technically I should actually have my stop underneath the wise man number one here. But I'm just being a little bit cautious, and I'm quite willing to take this 100-point risk at the moment. Okay, so this just allows me to get in with the trend, and the trend is to the upside. And it is off an inside bar, so I'm pretty comfortable with that. Okay, anyway, so that shows you what my my outlook is for today, looking for long, and I think I will more than likely add, even if we do pull down further into this area, so long as we don't breach my stop area and we have some decent price action, I may add to the position as well. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. And oh, sorry, the other thing that you've got here is a channel break or a wedge break. Okay, so yeah, that's it, I suppose. Once this is established, I'll definitely move my stop up here to just reduce my risk. But for now, because it's the morning session and we're getting into a period where no market's really open, they may still manipulate it a bit. Okay, so that's it for me today. Hope that helps, and let's see what happens. Anyway, guys, keep those stops tight and be safe. I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.